Dito ka.
Ito sabi ko, yes.
Bruce, come here.
Sabi na sa'yo.
Mike siya na pa si Missy.
Sobrang tricky ng
Yeah.
character mo.
Anong language niya?
Yun, tatanong ko.
Hello guys. Welcome to our live. This is Caitlyn.
From top to bottom.
What do you mean?
I'm vlogging. Week in my life.
What vlog?
So you wanna be in it?
Sure.
Yeah, me too.
Kulit ako. Yan ang kita. You up. Kasi, matanong ko kung nabasa mo na siya.
So guys.
Masaya mo na.
Asan po si Aya? Ayan!
Maganda. Tricky yung...
Hello, Ton. How are you?
I'm good.
Director
How are
na
you?
po
Super complex. Pinaka-complex to na
Tayo mo
art na sa
dito, ulit ka.
Yeah, look at you. AD!
Di ba ako malaki sa personal?
No, you are. You are.
Really?
Yeah, parang...
Am I?
Yeah, you look like smaller sa
Go,
cam,
go.
but big pa rin. Kasi in person, you're...
Kikain ka na lang ha. Tsaka ba't po dapat
Hey, ba't napunta ka dito?
tayo mo ko?
Talaga. Ha?
Day, yung day for na.
So,
Asan si Mutya? Ayan.
Nag-start siya ng mga day 3.
So our live is so random.
Yeah,
Live
guys.
dito sa gilid, tapos dito nag-uusap.
But we're just like that eh. Gusto kasi namin yung parang
Sarap niyan.
spontaneous na... You know.
Let's try this. Bigay ni Seth.
Oh, guys. Taste testing. This is from the pop princess of our generation.
Sarap.
Brookside chocolate-covered blood orange and peach. So, what's your first impression?
Okay, let's try.
Let's try. Okay, let's try. Oop. What flavor do you think? Peach or blood orange?
Blood orange.
Ball orange. Ball orange.
Oh, peach.
Peach! Oh, can I try? I want peach also. Can you have it if it's orange?
I think so.
Wait lang, sige. Baby, bigyan ka.
All good. Sige, go.
Yeah,
What is that?
it's orange.
Ang gagawin ko dito.
Kainin mo yun.
Wait lang.
Bruh.
That's for Miguel.
Oh, Miguel. This for you. Ooh.
I didn't put, there's no laway. It's just my teeth.
Ay, ayaw. Gusto niyo may laway.
Ano no?
Para mas malapit ka.
Wala.
I bit that. Yeah, I know. I don't know why he's so OA.
Oh, yeah.
Ito,
Oh, eh.
balik ko ba? Wait na.
Balik mo lang.
Damn.
Oo eh.
Maybe no. Sa'yo na yan.
5%, 5%.
Kanina, ilang person kanina?
Oh, he got it, guys. Hindi mo
Again,
nakita.
with the camera,
Pero
with
he
the
got it. Wait, go.
Wag ka.
Sayang.
Go.
Ay, paano mo? Go, kuno mo tayo.
Excuse me.
Hello po, waiting Batang Riles. Yes, just wait for it. Gago ka.
Guganin to.
Uy.
Saan mo hinawakan dito?
Sa po si Seth, ito. Tapat natin dito.
Dalawang kamay.
Ano niya ngayon?
Hi, guys.
Ang blue mo naman.
That's what I
We've
said,
been saying that.
I said that also sa kanya kanina. Sabi ko sa kanya,
Huwag ka nag-glow, ha? Parang...
Yes, I'm happy.
Tingin, patingin. Parang di naman.
Nabubugas ka. Hi, guys.
Bruce, wait pa ba ito?
Uy, hinahanap ka na nila, Aya.
Yan. How to feel your value. Iba yan? Wala yan.
Kailangan yun.
Lambot yung kamay ko.
Bakit?
this is the...
Ano ba lang?
M&M's.
Guys, wait lang. Never tayo nag-selfie.
Kami.
Guys, isa lang.
time. parang yung awkward na like comedic timing.
Really?
Yeah, it's so funny.
Thank you.
Sige, sige, go. Ikaw muna, go.
Kayong dalawa nga. Kayo ni Zep.
Oh guys, mag-ask naman kayo ng questions. Grabe naman yung mga comments nyo. Asan si Zig? Asan si Aya? Asan si Zep? Question na naman.
Yun yung question eh.
No, another question.
Go.
Where are you, Kidlat?
Ako.
Here's the
Ayan.
tent.
Kaliwa.
Ano natin yung dati?
Kaliwa.
Guys, mag-ask naman kayo ng mga
Salamat.
questions and we will answer the questions.
Okay.
Ba naman yung question? Una kami. So, ayun na yun.
Ang bilis! Kakagawa pa lang tayo ng business. Ito, gagawa